Ethereum is the most well-known altcoin, and it's much more than just another cryptocurrency for many investors and enthusiasts alike. And experts say it could grow in value by as much as 400% in 2022. Hello and welcome back to the Crypto Live. If you haven't already, consider hitting the subscribe button and turning on post notification. Ethereum's native token Ether has grown immensely in value since its creation. Launched in 2015 by computer programmer Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum has increased in price from 0.31 at its 2015, launched to around $4,800 at its highest last year, with plenty of volatility along the way. Ether slipped below $3,400 Tuesday morning. It still represents a lifetime return on investment of over 700,000% at the time of the shooting this video. A differentiating features for Ethereum, unlike Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, is its utility is a software network that allows developers to build and power new tools, apps, and NFTs. The blockchain-based software network has many users and applications across the tech world, especially for gaming, music, entertainment, and decentralized finance, making it one of the most popular and widely used cryptos this past year. At an annualized rate, Ethereum's return on investment is nearly 300%. That means early investors have nearly quadrupled their investments every year since the summer of 2014. Crypto prices are notoriously volatile. However, so financial experts say to only invest that you can afford to lose, and never at the expense of the foundational goals like emergency savings and the high interest debt payoff. So, how high do experts expect Ethereum's price to climb? Here's a look at the factors contributing to Ethereum's volatile yet upward climbing price projections and what experts predict for this year. We asked Ethereum experts how high they see Ethereum going this year, and each qualified their predictions by saying it's nearly impossible to predict the future price of Ethereum. And other experts have said Ethereum price will be even more volatile than Bitcoin in the coming months, mainly because Ethereum is transitioning its technology to a less energy-intensive version that insider colleagues will refer to as Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum's upgrade could make it more appealing and sustainable for widespread use, but until that happens, experts are waiting to see how investors and companies building their tech on Ethereum's platform responding to the change. Given these factors, here are some predictions for what to expect with the Ethereum price this year. Despite the challenge of predicting the price of the volatile cryptocurrency, the experts we spoke with generally agree Ethereum could go again break $4,000 in 2022. At a recent Ethereum predicting by Bloomberg Intelligence Analysis, Mike Amsglund has its ending the year between $4,000 to $4,500. But how might it go from there? That will depend on several factors that could contribute to its long-term value. The cryptonews outlet Coinpedia predicting Ethereum could end 2022 between $6,500 and $7,500 if the same bullish upswing that started in May 2021 were to continue. However, 2022 brought a bearish downtrend in the crypto market, making it clear that Ethereum's price is not going to rise from the sentiment alone. The blockchain now has considerable competition from similar platforms. There are filing its gaps while the Ethereum team worked to transition to its second generation updates. Ethereum was the only show in town, said Henry Arsalanian, global crypto leader of the professional services from PwC in a January 12 episode of the CoinDesk First Move. But from Ethereum price to continue rising, investors will need to see improved demand and the functionality. I believe Ethereum can go to $8,000. Ayan Balina, investor and founder of crypto research and the media company Token Matrix, told Next Advisor. Ethereum is the clear leader, but other blockchains are onboarding no users at a faster pace due to the Ethereum's high gas fees and the low transaction speed. Coinpedia predicts an even higher price of $12,962 in 2022 if Ethereum's upcoming transitions of Ethereum 2.0 is successful. The new upgrades could potentially make Ethereum more affordable for users to mint and develop products, as right now the services fees to Ethereum are notoriously high. Ethereum earned its reputation as the first blockchain to use smart contracts, which are basically coded instructions on the blockchain that execute financial instructions through algorithms. Now, new Ethereum alternatives with similar capabilities are hitting the market and changing the demanding for Ethereum in the both favorable and unfavorable ways. Here are a few variables that impact Ethereum prices. Smart contracts made it possible for artists and creators to make and sell the digital artwork now known as a non-fungible token. That was both a blessing and curse for Ethereum, as the blockchain popularity led to what some call a bottleneck on the blockchain. Think of the mall parking lot on a Black Friday only digitally. Now, with so many users, it's become increasingly expensive to transact on Ethereum. The Ethereum team in response has developed a new upgrade to its infrastructure, but it's taken a few years to develop the technology. In the meantime, a number of new companies have created added-on solutions as operate on the existing Ethereum blockchain. Additionally, entirely new blockchain networks known as Layer is also being released and marketed as a potential Ethereum alternatives, driving traffic away from the Ethereum blockchain and adding new competition, which can both increase or dampen any product popularity in the market. For investors, more people using Ethereum network means more support for the value of your investment, so competitor pulling users away could hinder Ethereum's value over time. Despite the new competition, experts often suggest Ethereum first mover advantage has positioned it for long-term success even though newer and more environmentally friendly technologies have been developed. However, because cryptocurrency are only valuable due to community buy-in, the commitment of users is more important than being first. Thankfully, Ethereum has both. I think the first mover advantage is real, says John Zanos, a partner at Infraction VC and early stage venture firms investing in the open economy and the blockchain companies. But what's more important to me is the health and the size of the community and how many developers are coming into the community, because that's what's going to drive innovation. New blockchain like Solana and Cardano also provide similar functionality to Ethereum's and have their own native cryptocurrency. Still, experts say Ethereum is well positioned to grow with its user and meet evolving demand in the future. Ethereum could rapidly expand capacity if it wanted so, says Rasa Khan, an investor in the fintech industry and the founder of the blockchain platform B. And for now, it seems the Ethereum community is okay with waiting to see if it does. If cryptocurrency and NFT became household terms in 2021, Web3 could make a run of its 2022. Web3 refers to an open access version of the international built in the blockchain technology, where financial transitions are more transparent, individuals have more ownership over their data, and cryptocurrency users own most of the infrastructure. Companies like Ethereum and similar blockchain like Solana, Cardano, and Tezos are working to develop the infrastructures on which the future visions of the Web3 can be built. Investors see these new developments are similar to the dot-com boom when Google, Facebook, and Apple were first coming into public awareness. 2022 will be the battle for Web3 and the next evolutions of the internet, says Balina. Despite Ethereum competition and other factors contributing to its ongoing volatility, there is a general sense of the optimism that the original smart contract blockchain will make it through this era of the trials. Ethereum has over 90% of the NFT market, said Arslanian. This is going to be very important year for Ethereum, a kind of a make or break year. There is good reasons to expect a quick rebound from the current slump Ethereum is experiencing, Zanos tells Next Advisor. What I think Ethereum has is that a momentum of the community that allows for a group of very smart people to create innovation and see new opportunities. At the core, my optimism is tied just the versatility of what you can do with Ethereum. Having recovered from its April Fool's Day, the dip from Ethereum cryptocurrency has enjoyed a period of relative stability, arriving at a price of $3,523. It follows a 40% surge in the second half of March as a part of a shift in the cryptocurrency market sentiment and investors' enthusiasm ahead of the merge. Provisionally, the altcoin failed to hold the $3,000 level reached at the start of the March as bearish sentiment prevailed. Cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, dropped sharply in late February as a Russian invasion of Ukraine contributed to a risk of environment amid increasing macroeconomic concern. The price trend briefly tuned higher in early March in response to the US administration's executive order on regulating cryptocurrency, yet then fallen back to around $2,500. Where do analysts and the forecasters see the Ethereum price moving in the future and what factors will shape an Ethereum predictions? In this video, we look at least short-term predictions and long-term outlook. The short-term Ethereum price analysis from CoinCodex was bullish at the 5 April, with 29 technical indicators giving bullish signals compared with 3 bearish. The relative price index reading of 85.48 has moved to the overbought territory, and RSI reading of 70 are above typical signals that the asset is overvalued and there may be a trend reversal. The altcoin was still trading below its R1 resistance level of $3,500, yet above its 3 and 5 day moving averages. The long-term Ethereum forecast from Wallet Investor was bullish, projecting that the price could climb to $5,280 by the start of 2023. reaching at $7,000 by the start of 2024. The algorithmic based forecasting sites Ethereum projection indicated at the price could surpass $10,000 in 2025 to start 2026 at $12,000 by the 2027. The price could move up to $14,000. Gove Capital's Ethereum future price projection saw the coin trading at $5,000 by this time next year, and this is expected to price accelerate to $18,000 by April 2027. The use of Ethereum along with Bitcoin and stablecoin as an alternative to cash has spiked in Ukraine and Russia, according to data compiled by James Batterfield, head of research at CoinShares. Thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't already, consider hitting the subscribe button and turning on post notification, so you will never miss any for future fascinating and interesting video like that one. See you next time.